Hey, welcome back to my channel where I create all these scammy videos just to try and scam everyone who is watching right now. Because I love money so much that I don't mind being unethical just to earn a few extra bucks by scamming all of you. I mean, just look how poor I am. I have a full-time job, I have a monetized YouTube channel, I have multiple properties, I have a mobile apps business, but still, I want more money, more money. Okay, I have to tone this down a little because I do have a bit of tone issue and people don't really know when I'm being serious and when I'm being sarcastic. And by the way, I was being sarcastic just then. So anyways, this all started when I got a reply from a comment I left 10 months ago on Catherine Manning's channel. It was on a video about how she scaled up, going from $19,000 a year to $30,000 a year. Then suddenly, I got this strange reply to that comment that says, "It might be because your videos and titles look kind of scammy." To be fair, this is not a troll. This is absolutely 100% legit and helpful feedback. You can see for yourself that she did say she meant it as helpful advice, and it's great that she said that because I definitely would have misunderstood. However, this did raise a question on my end. Why am I being judged when she has not even watched my videos yet and I'm being called scammy? And I don't mean to brag or anything, but a lot of my viewers have had nothing but positive things to say about my videos. I did think about replying her, but I've decided not to because, well, it is just a waste of time. These do say a few things though. For one, it says how important your thumbnail and title should be to portray what your video is about. And two, it is important to narrow down our audience because we cannot satisfy every single viewer out there. There will be those that absolutely won't fit your criteria. But what is it about my title and thumbnail that shows it is a scam? That's what I don't understand. Like, normally when it comes to scam, the first thing you would think of is money, right? But my video thumbnails and titles don't say anything like I'm selling a course or telling you how to make tens of thousands of dollars. In fact, the video that she was watching is about how Catherine Manning almost doubled her income in a year. If you ask me, that sounds a lot more scammy than any of my videos. But everyone has their own opinions. Maybe she isn't talking about money. Maybe I'm trying to scam, I guess, maybe her time? I mean, fair enough. I would hate for people to waste my time watching a video that gives them no benefits at all. But I wouldn't call it a scam though. But that's just my definition. Sorry I ramble a bit. I just find it hard to believe when someone becomes illogical and that curiosity causes me to rant. So here's a question I want to ask you. You know how YouTubers are always saying to create videos that your viewers like and not what you like? How much do you agree and do you take them seriously? Let me know in the comments. I used to believe every single comment I got, and I will always try my best to change and improve my videos based on those feedback. But at some stage, it gets so difficult because every single comment seems to be contradicting one another. One minute, I get some who says I should get straight to the point. The next minute, I get some who says they can listen to me all day because of my storytelling. And some would even call me a scam now. Pretty cool if you ask me. I feel like my YouTube channel is undergoing an evolution now where it is growing slowly and getting more types of viewers. But let me be honest with you. Having to please every comment is actually a lot more stressful than being able to do it the way you want to. The beauty about running a YouTube channel is it is yours and yours alone. You don't have to listen if you don't want to. It is not like a job where if you're under a bad manager, you have to do what he or she tells you to, even if it makes little to no sense at all. But you can't totally ignore your comments either. They are still useful whether you like it or not. So here are some suggestions I have for you that can help you out to identify what you should believe in. The first would be to understand if they are returning viewers. Once in a while, you will come across comments on your YouTube videos that try to offer their advice on what you should do to make them watch your future videos. For example, a viewer once told me that she is interested to see me run YouTube ads on my videos and see for herself what the results are. Well, I did just that and I did get some results. So I decided to do a video on it and share what I found so that others can try it out too. But guess what? That viewer who asked me to do the test, she never came back anymore. She never left me any more comments after that. No thank you, nothing. And it is hard to take in because sometimes you put in a lot of effort creating a video that your viewer asks for, but it never takes off. So it comes to the point where you start to ask yourself whether those comments are actually trustworthy. My second suggestion for you is to understand the percentage or ratio. Sometimes you need to make a judgment on those comments that try to guide you to run your YouTube channel. Are they frequent commenters or are they just once-off commenters? Some of them might leave you a comment on your 20th video and try to offer you a laundry list of things you can do to improve your videos. And some of them might leave comments on every video you produce and they offer their advice over there. Obviously, the one you should take more seriously is the one who comments frequently, right? Because they have proved time and time again that they watch most of your videos and so they are more trustworthy. My third suggestion: read the comments seriously, but act based on your capability. I've got comments that tell me to change up the way I do my videos, that I can improve my videos by changing the environments, by recording outside or something. And when I analyze what they say, it starts to feel like what they want me to do has already been done before, and that YouTube channel name is called Film Booth. Film Booth is doing very well in this category, but if I were to follow his style, his thumbnail, his titles, then my YouTube channel is not going to be unique anymore and I'm just a shadow of Film Booth's channel. Now, you don't want your YouTube channel to be a fake imitation of your competitors, do you? Everything that Film Booth is doing on his channel, whilst it is working very well, it is actually not my cup of tea, and it is impossible for me to keep producing videos so consistently if I were to do it his way. So I know for certain that it is not possible for me and it is not within my capability, and so I chose not to do it. But you know what? You will come across all sorts of viewers with all sorts of expectations. If you are going to listen to them all, you are more likely to fail than succeed. I used to get a lot of comments, especially when I engage with other people on other YouTube videos. And then I realized not everyone is my target audience. For example, there will be those who watch my video and then proceed to offer me unsolicited advice, but they only watch my video once and they never come back. So I'm not interested in this audience. And then there will be those who just want you to create videos the way they create theirs. They will tell you how to do it and what to do. That's okay until I notice that they are actually trying to validate the way they create their videos. So again, I'm not interested in this audience. And finally, there are those who ask you lots of questions and tells you what they learned from your video. You obviously want to keep these ones. They're the best. Because here's the thing, no matter how good the advice is, if the viewer doesn't come back to watch your future videos or they represent a small number of commenters on your YouTube channel, then their advice is not going to help you grow your YouTube channel. You need people to give you good advice and will come back to watch your future videos. Those views are very important for your engagement and monetization as well. On my channel, these returning viewers helped me achieve an amount of money that went above my expectations in my first month of monetization. So be sure to treat them like gold. Alright, that's it from me. If you love this video, do give it a thumbs up and a sub, okay? Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.